Hi, good morning, guys. As you know, it's Neftali. Comment nous y jodi? How everybody doing? Today is Sunday, so I think everybody doing okay. So I want to try and make this video because I know today is Mother's Day. And I know a lot of child gonna be like, hey, I need some money to buy my mom a gift, or like, no. But I want to tell you that you don't have to say Happy Mother's Day to your mom on one day. Mom don't have a special day. Every day is Mother's Day for mom. Because guess what? If it wasn't your mom, you was not gonna be here today. Si tout m konen pou jen ti moun haisyen yo kap leve isit, le maman yo pale ansama ave yo, si tout maman ki pa pale anglais yo même yo pale anglais, but yo comprendre sa maman ap di. Mais le maman pale ave yo pa même okipe l même. Et puis tout, le maman di yo fon bagay, yo pa même okipe l. Yo pa respecte maman yo, et puis yo choisi yon jou, lese jou fête maman pour yo di bonne fête maman ou bien quelconque. Non, nda souhaite que nous comprendre maman nous respecter maman nous chaque jour, parce que si c'est pas maman nous pas tap la jodi. I hope you guys understand that, because today is not Mother's Day for me, because I say Happy Mother's Day to my mom every day. Don't take one special day to give your mom something, but always make sure your mom is special for you every day. When you go out, if you find something you know she might like, give it to her, and God will bless you for that, because mom is too special. Because it's really hard for a mom, especially when she don't have a good job, she trying to take care of you. It's really hard. Sometimes she even like stay with one clothes to try to give you something, to buy you clothes, to buy you food. I understand you want to say Happy Mother's Day today, but don't take it for one day. Keep saying that. Keep saying that over and over every day, because mom is so special. That's what I was gonna tell you guys. Take your mom serious, because it's not something easy. Not everybody have a mom right now. Some mom, since the first day she passed away, and we're still here. So I hope you guys understand that. Don't say Happy Mother's Day for one day, but always love your mom, always respect your mom, always help your mom out, and God will bless you. You have a great day. Happy Sunday to you all, guys.